Volatile ride for ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock price on Wednesday moving between $63.27 and $70.93, updated on April 6, 2022. The ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock price gained 1.41% on the last trading day, Wednesday, 6th of April 2022. Rising from $64.05 to $64.95, and has now gained 7 days in a row. It is not often that stocks manage to gain so many days in a row, and falls for a day or two should be expected. During the day the stock fluctuated 12.11% from a day low at $63.27 to a day high of $70.93. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 37.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by minus 119,000 shares, and in total, 3 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $170.65 million. You should take into consideration that falling volume on higher prices causes divergence and may be an early warning about possible changes over the next couple of days. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 49.73% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $66.41 and $110.30 at the end of this 3-month period. Signals forecast. The ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $57.95 and $44.90. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, February 10, 2022, and so far it has risen 123.12%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This causes a divergence between volume and price, and it may be an early warning. The stock should be watched closely. Support, risk, stop loss. ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas finds support from accumulated volume at $64.05, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move very much during the day. Volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $7.66 between high and low, or 12.11%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 8.08%. Since the ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas has been rising for 7 days in a row, the risk over the next couple of days has increased. As we cannot be certain with regards to the size of the reaction, we urge caution. Our recommended stop loss, $63.09, minus 2.86%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 82, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 38 days ago. Is ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas stock a buy? ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. Current score, 0.0000 in score indicates that our system is expecting high volatility and risk for the following trading day. Given the latest developments, we cannot determine the next direction as it may go both ways. Predicted opening price for ProShares Ultra Bloomberg natural gas of Thursday, April 7, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price April 7, 2022 $66.38.